And here we go on the front row of Dynamite. Love the track colour for this, it looks excellent. Hey, and yeah, it's that quiet this morning. I'm the only person on that's a guest, and a member of staff just jumped on the other side. It's obviously with the Big Dippers, you got like the two wing seats, so to speak, on the side. Look at this view. Again, beautiful location. Wow, into the dive drop. Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo! Hey, wow! Oh, the airtime was good there. Hey! Woo! There we go. Oh, short and sweet, but I'll tell you what, very snappy. And what really made that was going through all the different tunnels and everything as well. Oh, that was excellent, really good. I like how far into the layout the loop was, and the dive drop was also at the start. What a cracking ride.